Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the Braeburn thermostat to maintain the same temperature for an extended period, which is perfect for vacations, empty homes, rental properties, or when you simply don't want the schedule constantly changing the temperature every few hours. Now, first of all, before using any of the hold features, you need to decide which mode you actually want running. So on your Braeburn thermostat, you are going to see this type of system, cool, off, heat, and the amber option. So you need to switch the system to heat if you want it to be on heat, or you can also switch it to cool depending on the season. Now you need to use this particular up and this particular down arrows in order to select the exact temperature that you want the thermostat to maintain the long term. Now you just have to simply press the heat button, and once you see hold displayed on the screen, the thermostat stops following the daily schedule completely. That means that it will keep maintaining only the temperature that you have selected instead of switching the temperatures throughout the day. Now this part is really very important because some of the Braeburn models support temporary hold or permanent hold. So if your screen is going to show you that can look something like temp hold, so it means that the thermostat may eventually return to the programmed schedule automatically. But if it simply shows you hold, then the thermostat stays logged at that particular temperature until you manually cancel it. Now, on some of the models like Braeburn 7205 and some of the touchscreen series, you can also activate an extended hold mode. Usually, this works by pressing and holding the return button for 5 seconds until the display changes to long hold or LG hold. So this keeps the thermostat fixed at the selected temperature for very long periods without reverting back to the schedules. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.